Oh, wow.
Welcome to part 2 of the Jarbidge Wilderness Ride series. I'm Adventure Glide, and you're watching the Adventure Glide channel. We're continuing into the town of Jarbidge, Nevada, easily the most isolated town in the lower 48 states.
Look at that.
But its canyon bottom, ensconced location may also be Nevada's most stunning. In Jarbidge, visitors can walk through history that never left, kick back at a couple of classic Sagebrush Saloons, or get after some world-class fishing, camping, off-roading, photography, and magnificent ADV riding, where the Idaho BDR ends and the Nevada BDR begins.
Little snow up here still. I think this is Windy Point right here.
If you're curious about how we got to this mountain oasis in northern Nevada, watch part 1 by clicking the link in the description or right up here.
Bear Creek Summit, elevation 8,500 feet. Oh jeez. They had a parade of side-by-sides.
This video expresses the incredible Jarbidge wilderness area the way it should be, and that you enjoy. ADV Nevada. I can't tell you who this white cross belongs to. I can only assume these mountains' beauty struck them the same way I am today. Oh yeah.
Brakes are a little squeaky. Oh yeah, these are mountains here. Look at that. Fun little spot there. I like it. Well, let's continue on. Hopefully those side-by-sides gain some ground up there, and we won't catch them too quick. Dust puddle. Oh, look at this. ADV Nevada. Oh yeah, I remember this. Look at how awesome this is. Oh, here it is, guys. This is what you've been waiting for. Look at the size of some of these houses.
So I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken. I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. So flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
According to Shoshone legend, a giant cannibal named Tsawhawbitts roamed a particular canyon in the far reaches of northern Nevada, hunting for unsuspecting men to toss into a large basket and carry back to camp for dinner. In 1909, prospectors, following news of a gold strike, made their way into the canyon and named it after its mythical resident, mispronouncing the Shoshone word as Jarbidge. More discoveries were made the following year, and Jarbidge quickly became an official settlement with several hundred residents. As it happened, the finds would lead to the last major gold rush in western United States history, as well as, how appropriately, the last stagecoach robbery. This latter-day Wild West history remains front and center in downtown Jarbidge, thanks to a handful of built-back-then cabins and even a few publicly accessible buildings, including the 1911 built jail. Thanks again for watching, liking, and subscribing to the Adventure Glide channel. It means a lot to the channel, and remember, the best is yet to come. Stay tuned for part 3, where we continue on through the Jarbidge wilderness area into Murphy Hot Springs, another living ghost town. ADV Nevada.